So I'm doing a review on this Good Cook pan. So basically it's a cornbread pan. So there goes my oven, the temperature's ready. And Jiffy has been around since I was a kid, and let me tell you, that's a long time. Super easy to make. I really like it. I get criticized for eating it too much, but that's okay. So basically it's one package of Jiffy mix, one egg, and 1/3 cup milk. Preheat to 400, 15 to 20 minutes. You're gonna have a nice muffin tray. Quick, easy, good breakfast. Even have for dinner, having cornbread, whatever, if you're having barbecue and stuff. Just mix the egg and the milk together, and you just dump the package of Jiffy right in there. So look at this, open it up, and right there. So I want to make a nice size cornbread, so I will be using 2 packages. So I'll be doubling up. I will be doubling up on the ingredients. So that means 2 eggs, 1/3 cup of milk, and it comes out just fine. 15-20 minutes. I'm gonna have this new pan. My old pan was sticking, that's why I got a new pan. My old pan was very old, so I suspected that was the reason why it was sticking. And we're gonna mix this up. Pretty simple. So the ingredients will be right, and you'll have the right consistency. You don't even have to be a good cook. So mix it up some more. A little chunky, so it's like perfect consistency. Give it a nice little quick one. And I really like mixing bowls too, because they got sharp, steep walls. So I like this mixing bowl. I'll leave links in the description. And now this should be ready. Now when cooking cornbread, I like using the original pan, easy cleanup, and this been around forever. It's just good to have. I could melt a stick of butter in the pan and stuff like that, but this is so much easier. So I just coated the pan with Pam butter spray, and let's just get to pouring that in. Now, I estimated this size tray would be good for my double batch of Jiffy. And we get it all like this, bring it down. So this is pretty easy. I mean, make it, it'll stay nice and fresh on in your kitchen for 2, maybe 3 days before it starts hardening. I think if you put it in a bake case and seal it up, it'll last longer, get softer longer. Then we got our, make it nice and even. Okay. Now we're gonna throw it in the oven for 15-20 minutes. There we go. Put it right in the middle, and we're good to go. So here we are. I think it's done, and safely with no problems. So the last part will be the ultimate test, which is the flip out the pan to see if it sticks, and then the job will be complete. Here goes the ultimate test of the pan, which will solve my problem of my cornbread sticking to the pan. So let's go. Okay, that's not bad. That I think I caught with the thumb when I flipped it with this. But look, no stick, no problem. Great job. Now that my cornbread is flipped, there's no rip out on the bottom. We're looking good, delicious. I'm gonna have a couple pieces with some coffee for breakfast and we're good. So that is my Jiffy review.